Joe. Joe.
Oh, amekataa. Tigana, chora mwita na ndale enda kidinda tu ndale.
No. Wacha tu afanye uamuzi wake. No. We are unions. Yeah.
Magiga atematu.
You know them.
Twagen tu kama undu. Makewa mara kora mama.
Ari mai bare. Ule aiba tokmawa. Ama kala ingine.
Watu jote kwa hiyo ruli tu kimi. Actually
we are saying that the TSC is the sole responsibility of deploying teachers, employing, dismissing, and doing all manner which pertains teacher management. We want to tell our MP to leave our schools alone.
We know Wamuthende, you are taught by the same teachers. You are trying to evict from the school. It does not matter because you are elected as a member of parliament. You have become more clever than anybody else in Embu County. It is only that you have been given a chance to go and represent people in the parliament, but not that you are clever than the teachers who taught you.
We ask our government to come up with safety protocols for our female teachers, because gender-based violence has now been brought to our workplace by the parliamentarians. We have no issue with anyone. Ours is only to work and obey our employer and where our employer wants us to work.
We appeal to the political establishment in Embu County to let the Teacher Service Commission and the Ministry of Education man and run education in Embu County. Otherwise, if that trend continues, we may have to ask our teachers out of those schools.